Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video here, I'm gonna show you how to put your eBay store on a vacation mode. Okay, so log on the ebay.com over here. Okay, there you go. And this is the main page. Okay. Now the first thing that you wanna do, you wanna make sure you're logged in. So if you look over here, I'm logged in and I'm all set. Now you're gonna come back over here and you're gonna come on your on my eBay tab, okay? And you're going to click on selling, okay? So here we are, and you're gonna get to this tab over here. As you can see, I have 3 items for sale. I'm all active and legit, and you're gonna click here on the account, okay? So here we are on the account, and you're gonna look on this side over here on the left hand side, okay? Here we go. Time away. This is what you want to look for, okay? Now you want to look for time away, and here we go. Let's scroll down, and this is your section over here. So let's pretend I'm gonna be on vacation for the entire. Look over here. There's a select date over here, but let's pretend I'm gonna be on vacation for the entire June of 2025. So what I'm gonna do over here, I'm gonna click on June 1st, okay, 12 o'clock, and I'm gonna come back here. Let's say I'm coming back at the end of the June, which is the 30th, okay, over here, and I'm coming back at 11:30 p.m., okay, and you're gonna come here and hit apply. So let's come here and hit apply, and let's see what happens, okay. So here we go. You see, scheduled time away. Pause item sales on the June 1st until the June 30th from 12 o'clock until 11:30. Okay, so this is the what's happening now over here. If you look over here, you can edit. So we can go back and let's say we can add the entire July as well. That's also a possibility. And another thing that we can do over here on this side, we can also cancel this vacation thing. So if you look over here, I canceled it. And if you look over here, there's nothing going on for my vacation time off. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.